Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. India reports a single day spike of 52,972 positive cases and 771 deaths. 1,384 more persons in Odisha tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the total count to 37,681. Two students from Odisha have been ranked in top 10 of the UPSC examinations, results of which were declared today. One, Abhishek Saraf, has ranked 8 in All India level, while Sanjita Mohapatra has found position in 10th rank in the Civil Services examination. Besides, 18 others from the state have found their positions in various ranks. The Odisha government today allowed financial institutions to function within restrictions from August 1 to August 31, 2020 amid the COVID-19 pandemic. CRUT today resumed its Mo bus services in 8 routes. Non-AC buses will ply in 8 routes, that is 11, 16, 18, 20, 23, 25, 27 and 33 from 7 am to 7 pm. However, the service will remain suspended during weekend shutdowns in the month of August. The Vedic rituals continued for the second day today at Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be reaching Ayodhya at 11:30 am for Bhumi Pujan of Ram Temple. The design of the planned Ram Temple in Ayodhya was released by government today. A series of images showed a grand 3-story stone structure on a raised platform with multiple turrets, pillars and domes. The temple will be 161 feet tall and almost double the size of what was originally planned. The interior show a high dome with intricate carvings. On August 5, when the Bhumi Pujan for the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya will take place, a 81-year-old Urmila Chaturvedi, a resident of Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, will break fast after 28 years. When the disputed structure was demolished in Ayodhya in 1992, she had given up eating, pledging that she would consume food only when the Ram Temple construction will take place. Imagine walking into a showroom and being greeted by the Employee of the Year, a dog. That is exactly the role that Tucson Prime, a street dog adopted by a Hyundai showroom, fulfills with aplomb. Baidu Search and Weibo, among the most influential apps of China and dubbed as the country's answer to Google Search and Twitter respectively, have been blocked in India. A leading IPL franchise already fighting tooth and nail to claim compensation from BCCI over having to lose out on gate money in UAE this season, called up the other 7 franchises on Monday evening to inform them that the league's title sponsors, Vivo India, are on the verge of exiting, at least for this year. 3 men have been rescued from a tiny Pacific island after writing a giant SOS sign in the sand that was spotted from above. President Donald Trump only agreed to allow Microsoft Corp to negotiate the acquisition of popular short video app TikTok if it could secure a deal in 45 days. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.